Friends, today discuss VSAQs in circle chapter. First question. Find the power of the point 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, now start the solution. First, right, given circle, let's suppose S equals, let S equal to given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, now formula power of the point P x1 comma y1 with respect the circle s equal to 0 is S11. Okay, is the formula. Now S11 notation is equal to from given circle, so x square plus x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, here given point is a p x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 1. Here x1 and y1 both are equal to 1. Substitute in above notation, then we get power of the point is a 1 square, x1 square 1 square plus y1 square is also 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 6 plus 4 minus 12. Then we get here 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 is 6 minus 6 minus 12 minus 6 plus 6 cancel is equal to minus 12 is the power of the point S1 equal to S11 equal to minus 12. Now second question, find the value of k if the points 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 35. Okay, now start the solution. Let s equal to x square plus y square minus 35 equal to 0. Here equal to 35, right, minus 35 equal to 0, and given points first one is, let's suppose the p is p x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 3, and second one, let's suppose q x2 comma y2 is equal to 2 comma k. Okay, here given p and q are conjugate points. Okay, then implies we have condition S12 equal to 0. Okay, for given circle, notation of S12 is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus 35 equal to 0. Now substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 four values in above, then we get the x1 is 1 into x2 is 2 plus y1 is 3 into y2 is k is equal to 35 minus 35, take right side is equal to 35, so is 2 plus 3k is equal to 35, 3k equal to 33, 35 minus 2 33, 3 1 ja 3 11 ja, then we get k equal to 11. Next question. Question number 3, find the equation of the polar of the point 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, now solution. Here given circle, let's suppose let s equals x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0, and given point given point p x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Here x1 is 1, y1 is minus 2. Okay, polar with respect s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. Okay, notation of s1 is x1 plus y1 minus, here minus 10, right, 5 of x plus x1 minus 5 of y plus y1 plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, here substitute x1 and y1 values in above notation. Then x into x1 value 1 plus y into y1 value minus 2 minus 5 into x1 plus 1 minus 5 into y1 minus 2 plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, it implies x minus 2y minus 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Next, minus 5 into y minus 2 is minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10 plus 25 equal to 0. Okay, next is implies here x minus 5x is minus 4x and minus 2y minus 5y is minus 7y constant term. Here 10 plus 25 is 35 minus 5 is minus plus 30 is equal to 0. Take common, minus, we get 5x plus 7y minus 30 equal to 0 is the equation of the polar of given point 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Now fourth question, find the value of k if the points 4 comma 2 and k comma minus 3 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0. Now start the solution. The fourth question, a given circle, let's suppose s equals x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal to 0, and given points are, let's, first one is the p x1 comma y1 is equal to 4 comma 2 and second point q x2 comma y2 is equal to k comma minus 3. Okay, here given 2 points are, since here p and q are conjugate points, okay, then we have condition s12 equal to 0. Now write the notation of s12 for given circle is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus 5 by 2 of x1 plus x2 plus 4 into y1 plus y2 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now substitute 4 values x1 y1 x2 y2 in above notation, then we get required k value. Here x1 value 4 into x2 is k plus 2 into minus 3 minus 5 by 2 of 4 plus k plus 4 into 2 minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, next step, 4 into k is 4k minus 2, here 2 into minus 3 is 6. Next, minus 5 by 2 of 4 plus k, here 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4 plus 6 equal to 0. Here plus 6 minus 6 cancel, then we get is 4k minus 5 by 2 of 4 plus k minus 4 equal to take LCM. Here 2 is the LCM. 2 into 4k is minus take LCM is implies 8k minus 5 into 4 plus k minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, is 8k minus 20 minus 5k minus 8 equal to 0 is implies 8k minus 5k is 3k. Okay, next is equal to minus 20 minus 8 is minus 28, right here 28, then k equals 28 by 3. Answer. Now fifth question, find the value of a if given circle is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Represent a circle. Also find its radius. Given circle is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, it represents a circle. Okay, is represents a circle. Okay, then implies we have coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square must be equal. Okay, so it implies in given equation coefficient of x square is equal to 2. Right here 2 is equal to, in given equation coefficient of y square equal to a, so then we get a value is 2. Clear? Okay, now a value substitute in above equation, then we get circle equation is s 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Now divided by 2 on both sides, then we get circle x square plus y square minus 3 by 2 into x plus 2 by 2 is 1 into y is y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, now is comparing with general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then we get 2g equals minus 3 by 2 and 2f equals 1 and c equal to minus 1 by 2, then g equal to minus 3 by 4 and f equal to 1 by 2. Now write radius r equal to formula under root of g square plus f square minus c. Now substitute above three values here. Okay, root minus 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16 plus 1 by 4 minus c is a minus into minus, here minus 1 by 2, so minus into minus plus 1 by 2, then we get radius of the circle is root 21 by 4. Next, sixth question, if the length of the tangent from point 5 comma 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 2 x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0 is 1, then find k. Let s equals given circle is x square plus y square plus 2ky equal to 0 and point, given point is is a p x1 comma y1 is equal to 5 comma 4. Okay, and also length of the tangent is given, that is s root s11 equal to 1, squaring on both sides, then we get s11 equal to 1. Now write notation of s11 for given circle s equal to 0, that is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2k y1 equal to, right side value is 1 given. Okay, now substitute x1 and y1 values here. X1 is a 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16 plus 2k into y1 is 4 equal to 1. Okay, next 2k into 4 is 8k is equal to 1 minus 25 plus 16 is 41. Right side for minus 41 is equal to minus 40. 8 ones are 8, 5s are, then we get k equal to minus 5. Question number 7. If the length of the tangent from point 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equal to 0 is root 37. Most important question. Find k. Okay, similar to sixth one. Okay, now start the solution. First, let given circle is s x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Here given point is p. x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 and length of tangent is root s11 is equal to root 37. Now squaring on both sides. Okay, on both sides root cancel, then we get s11 is equal to 37. Now write notation of s11 for given circle is x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k equal to right side value is 37. Now substitute x1 y1 value 2 comma 5 in above. The 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25 minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus 4 into 5 is 20 plus k is equal to 37. Now 4 plus 25, 29 plus 20 is 49 minus 10 is 39 is 39 plus k equal to 37. Now write k equal to 37 minus 39, then we get k equal to minus 2. Now question number 8. Find the value of g comma f if the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0 represents circle with center 2 comma 3 and find radius also. Okay, now start. Given equation x square plus 2g x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0. Yes, center of the equation is minus g comma minus f is equal to given is 2 comma 3. Right here 2 comma 3. Here equating on both sides minus g equal to 2 and minus f equal to 3. Then we get g equals minus 2, g equal to minus 2 and f equals minus 3. Okay, this. Now consider radius. Consider radius is r equal to formula is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So is r equal to under root of g value is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Here c value is minus c equals minus 12. Right here minus into minus plus 12. So r equal to root 25. Then we get radius r equal to 5. Next question, ninth one. Find the other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 equal to 0 if one end of it is 2 comma 3 and also find radius. Okay, solution. Let's given circle s equal to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 equal to 0. Okay, now center C minus g comma minus f is equal to 4 comma 4. Okay, here 2g equal to minus 8 and 2f also minus 8. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 1 ja, here 2 4 ja, then g equal to minus 4 and f equal to also minus 4. So right here center of the circle is minus g comma minus 4 is 4 comma 4. Now here given one end of the diameter 2 comma 3, other end let's suppose be x2 comma y2. Here clear from circle, yes, C equal to midpoint center is midpoint of the diameter, so midpoint of AB. So C we know that is a 4 comma 4 is equal to A plus B by 2 is equals 2 comma 3 plus x2 comma y2 by 2. Okay, next is implies 2 into 4 comma 4. 2 take left side, 2 of 4 comma 4 is equal to 2 plus x2 comma 3 plus y2. Okay, 2 into 4 is 8 comma 8 is equal to 2 plus x2 comma 3 plus y2. Now equating coordinates x and y on both sides, then we get 2 plus x2 is equal to 8, then x2 equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. And next 3 plus y2 is equal to 8, so y2 equal to 5. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now other end of the diameter is a b x2 comma y2 is equal to 6 comma 5. 10th question, if the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0 represent a circle with radius 6 or equal to 6, then find c value. Okay, now here given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. Okay, here comparing with general form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general form of the circle. Then we get coefficient of x is a 2g is equal to minus 4 and 2f equal to 6. Okay, so g equal to minus 2, f equal to 3. Now consider radius r equals under root of g square plus f square minus c. It is equal to given radius of the circle is 6. So 6 equal to under root of g square is minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 minus c. Now squaring on both sides. Okay, in left side 6 square is 36, in right side root cancel. 4 plus 9 is 13 minus c, then is implies c equal to 13 minus 36. Okay, then we get c equal to minus 23. Answer. Question number 11, find the center and radius of the circle. Given here root 1 plus m square of x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2m cy equal to 0, where c greater than 0. Okay, now start the solution. Here given circle equation is roots 1 plus m square of x square plus y square minus 2c into x minus 2m cy is equal to 0. Okay, first above equation divided by root 1 plus m square on both sides. Okay, then is implies we get x square plus y square minus 2c by root 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by under root 1 plus m square into y is equal to 0. Okay, now equation comparing with general form. Okay, then we get 2g equal to minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square and 2f equal to minus 2mc by root 1 plus m square, and both sides 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel, then we get g equal to minus c by root 1 plus m square comma f equal to minus mc by root 1 plus m square. Now write center of the circle. Center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, is equal to minus into minus plus c by root 1 plus m square comma here also minus f minus into minus plus mc by root 1 plus m square is the center of the given circle. And consider radius formula. Radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, where c value is 0, so is equal to under root of g square is c square by 1 plus m square, root cancel, plus f square is m square c square by 1 plus m square is equal to under root of, take LCM, here LCM is 1 plus m square, in numerator c square is a common term, 1 plus m square, c square of 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square cancel is equal to c. So radius of the given circle r equal to c. Now question number 12, obtain the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, now write the solution. Given circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Now write center of the circle c h comma k is equal to minus g comma minus f, here 2g equal to minus 6, 2f equal to 4, then we get g equal to 3 minus 3 and f equal to 2. Okay, so center of the circle is 3 comma minus 2 and radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, so equal to under root of 3 square is 9 plus 4 plus 12 is equal to 5. So r value 5, radius of the circle and center of the circle is 3 comma minus 2. Now write parametric equations. We know that x equal to h plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta. Now write here h comma k and r values in above. Then x equal to h value is 3 plus r value 5. 3 plus 5 cos theta, and y equal to k value is minus 2 plus r value 5 again. Right here 5 sin theta. Okay, so here x equal to 3 plus 5 cos theta and y equal to minus 2 plus 5 sin theta. Both are parametric equations of given circle. Question number 13. Obtain the parametric equation of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 8 square. Okay, now start the solution. Given equation of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 8 square. Now is in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the standard form of the equation of the circle. Here clear center of the circle c h comma k is equal to 3 comma 4 and radius of the circle r equal to 8. Now write the parametric equations. Parametric equations of the circle x equals, okay, a formula x equal to h plus r cos theta, y equal to k plus r sin theta. Here h comma k and r value substitute. Then we get parametric equation x equal to h plus 3 plus 8 cos theta and y equal to 4 plus 8 sin theta. Both are parametric equation of the given circle. Question number 14. Find the values of a and b if given equation ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 represent a circle. Also find the radius and center of the circle. Okay, here formula, if the second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, if it is represent a circle, then here a equal to b nothing but coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square is the first condition, and h value equal to 0, h nothing but coefficient of xy, okay, is must be equal to 0, and radius r greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now start the solution. Here given equation ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, from first condition a equal to b, coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of y square is given 3, so a equal to 3. And from second condition h equal to 0, coefficient of xy here b, so b equal to 0. Now these values substitute in above equation, then we get equation of the circle 3x square plus 0 plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now above equation divided by 3 on both sides, then we get x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 into y minus 3 by 3 is 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, b equal to 0. Okay. Now equating general form of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then we get here 2g equal to coefficient of x is minus 5 by 3 and 2f equal to 2 by 3. Okay, then g equal to minus 5 by 6, here 2 to cancel, then we get f equal to 1 by 3. Then right center of the circle, center minus g comma minus f is a formula, so minus into minus plus 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3, the center of the circle, and radius r equal to g square plus f square minus c is equal to under root of g square is 25 by 36 plus f square is 1 by 9 minus c. Here c value is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 is equal to root 65 by 36. So r equal to root 65 by root 36 value is 6. So radius of the circle root 65 by 6. Okay, here a value is 3, b value is 0. Now question number 16. If the center of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is 2 comma 3, find the values of a comma b and find the radius of the circle. Okay, now solution. Given equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, now in general form and given center of the circle C minus G comma minus F is equal to given 2 comma 3, then G equals minus 2 and F equal to minus 3. From given equation, 2G equals coefficient of X is A, 2G equal to A, and 2F equal to coefficient of Y is B. So G equal to, so A equal to 2 into G value is minus 2, right here is minus 2, and B equal to 2F, 2 into minus 3, F value is minus 3. So we get A equal to minus 4 and B equal to minus 6. Okay, and find radius of the circle. Okay, now consider radius r equal to formula. So formula g square plus f square minus c. G value is minus 2, minus 2 whole square is 4, plus f square is minus 3, minus 3 whole square is 9, and c value is, yes, c equals minus 12, minus into minus plus 12. So r equals root 25, so r equal to 5. Now question number 17, find the pole of the equation 3x plus 4y minus 45 with respect the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, here formula minus g plus l r square by lg plus mf minus n comma minus f plus m r square by lg plus mf minus n, where r equal to root g square plus f square minus c and center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, first write the center of the circle C minus g comma minus f is equal to, we know that 2g equal to minus 6, 2f equal to minus 8 from general form. So we get g value is 3, minus 3, so minus into minus plus 3 comma f value is minus 4, minus f is minus into minus plus 4. Okay, here 3 comma 4 is the center of the circle, and radius r equal to under root of, from this form, g square plus f square minus c. G value is 3 square is 9 plus 16 minus 5 is equal to root 25 minus 5 is equal to root 20. Okay, here required r square, so root cancel, then we get r square value is 20. Okay, next now consider LG plus MF minus N. Okay, from given equation of the line 3x plus 4y minus 45 equal to 0. Here L equal to 3, M equal to 4 and N equal to minus 45. So right here is equal to L value 3 into G equal to, here g equal to minus 3, f equal to minus 4. So right here minus 3 plus m equal to 4 into f value minus 4 minus n equal to minus 45. Okay, so is equal to minus 9 minus 16 minus into minus plus 45. Then we get value of LG plus MF minus N is equal to, here minus 25 plus 45, then we get is 20. Okay, now write pole is equal to minus g value is 3. Okay, 3 plus L value 3 into r square equal to 20 by denominator value here 20 comma minus f is 4 plus m value, m equal to also 4, is a 4 by 20 by 20 Here 20 20 cancel, here also 20 20 cancel, so is equal to 3 plus 3 comma 4 plus 4, then we get 6 comma 8 is the pole of the given equation with respect to the given circle. Okay, now question number 20, find the equation of the circle passing through point 3 comma 4 and having the center minus 3 comma 4. Okay, now start the solution. Here given center of the circle C H comma K is equal to minus 3 comma 4 and given point is a P. Let's suppose P x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 4. Okay, CP equal to R radius, so R equal to CP means distance between center and point on the circle, so is root using distance formula 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Here square root cancel, then we get R equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. Radius R equal to 6. Now write equation of the circle. Equation of the circle formula. Okay, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, circle is x minus h value is minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus y minus k is 4 y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square radius. Okay, so now apply a plus b whole square form and a minus b whole square form here. So we get x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equal to 36, 6 square. Okay, so x square plus y square 6x minus 8y plus 25 minus 36 equal to 0. Then we get equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y constant 25 minus 36 is minus 11 equal to 0. Now question number 21, find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 4 comma minus 3 and passing through r is in nothing but o0 comma 0. Okay, similar to previous question, here passing through 3 comma 4. Okay, but here passing through r is in 0 comma 0. So here given center of the circle C h comma k is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3 and p x1 comma y1 is equal to r is in 0 comma 0. So is r equal to cp, okay, is equal to under root of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 5. Okay, next, so is r equal to 5 radius. Okay, next, now write equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is, okay, here formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So equation of the circle is x minus h value is minus 4 plus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square is 25. Now set the above equation, then we get x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y plus 3 whole square is y square plus 9 plus 6y minus 25 equal to 0. Here 16 plus 9 minus 25 cancel, then we get equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0 is equation of the circle which is passing through origin. Now question number 22, find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 1 comma 2 and passing through 5 comma minus 6 is also similar to previous two questions. Okay, now start the solution. Here given center C h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma 2 and point P x1 comma y1 is equal to 5 comma minus 6. Okay, now consider radius r equal to cp by definition of the circle. Okay, cp is the distance between center and point on the circle. Okay, using distance formula, then we get radius the 5 plus 1 x2 minus x1 whole square, 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 6 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So is r equal to root 5 plus 1 whole square is 36 plus 64 is equal to root 100 is equal to 10. So radius is 10. Now write equation of the circle using equation of the circle formula. So is x minus h value minus 1, so minus into minus h comma k, minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square is 100. Okay, x square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, a minus b whole square form is y square plus 4 minus 4y minus 100 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 1 plus 4 5 minus 100 is 95 equal to 0 is the equation of the circle which is passing through 5 comma minus 6 and having the center minus 1 comma 2. Now question number 23. Find the equation of the circle whose extremities of a diameter are 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5. Extremities means end point of the diameter. Okay, here given extremities of the diameter, one is a 1 comma 2, second one is b 4 comma 5. Okay, is x1 is y1 is x2 y2. Now write equation of the circle. Okay, using this formula, x minus x1 1 into x minus x2 is 4 plus y minus y1 is 2 into y minus y2 is 5 is equal to 0. Okay, multiply with both linear factors, then we get x into x is x square minus x into 4 is minus 4x minus 1 into x is minus x minus into minus plus 1 into 4 is 4 plus same as here also y into y is y square, y into minus 5 is minus 5y and minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. Implies x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 4 plus 10 is 14 is equal to 0 is equation of the circle which is extremities of a diameter is 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5. Okay, thank you.